Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to find your story archives on Facebook. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, on your phone, open up your Facebook app like this. I have already opened the Facebook app, as you can see. And after opening your Facebook app, to find your story archives, tap on the profile picture on the top left corner of your screen. Just below the home icon, you can see your profile picture icon. Tap over there, and when you land on this interface, this is your profile, and you can see the three dotted icon over here on the middle right section of your phone, just beside the edit profile. Tap on the three dotted icon. After landing on this interface, you can see the archive option over here, which is the third one. Tap on archive, and this is the place where you can see all your archives. You can see these are my story archives. To view your story archives, you can see the story archives at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on story archives, and everything you have archived on Facebook will be available over here. And there guys, this is how you find and view your Facebook story archive. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.